Alright, so finally, the most complicated version of solving by elimination. It's when we've got a situation like this, where none of them cancel, and there's nothing I can multiply by that'll make them cancel. Let's see. 2x plus 5y equals 3, and 3x plus 4y equals 1. Now, theoretically, if I want to get into fractions, I could multiply 2x by a fraction to turn it into 3x, but there's no whole number. The same way with 5y and 4y. There's nothing I can multiply these by to turn one into the other so I can add or subtract this whole equation. What I've got to do instead is I've got to figure out some other number that both of them can multiply into. In this case, I happen to notice that 2x and 3x can both multiply into 6x. So I'm going to create two new equations, a 1b and a 2b. For 1b, I'm going to multiply everything by 3. And for 2b, I'm going to multiply everything times 2, because that's how I get from 3x to 6x. So for 1b right here, equation 1b, just a different form of equation 1. Okay, 3 times 2x is 6x. 5y times 3 is 15y. And 3 times 3 is 9. Now let's say, for the next one, remember, for 2b, I'm going to multiply everything times 2. So now 3x times 2 is equal to, actually let's make that times negative 2, sorry, times negative 2. So 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. 4y times negative 2 is negative 8y. And 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Now finally I can add these together and eliminate something. I can say 6x plus negative 6x eliminates. I'll get 0 on the x's. And then 15y plus negative 8y is going to be 7y. And then I'll get 9 plus negative 2 is regular 7. So really, 7y equals 7. Divide both sides by 7. And I'll get y equals 1. And then I can substitute y back into the 1b that I created, the 2b that I created, the 1 that I created that we had at the beginning, or the 2 that we had in the beginning. No matter what I do, I'm also going to get that x equals negative 1. And my final answer will be parenthesis negative 1 comma 1 parenthesis. The big difference on this one was just that I had to multiply both equations by something to get a variable I could eliminate. Thank you.